Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix a problem of Go2bank's account not working well. Keep watching the video till the end. To solve a problem of Go2bank application that is not working well, firstly go ahead and launch open your settings application. Scroll down and tap on App Management. On the next page, click on App List. From the App List, tap on Go2bank application. Click on Storage Users and delete your app data and cache memory by tapping on Clear Data and Clear Cache option. The next thing that you can do is open your Go2bank application and swipe it upward from the bottom of the page. It will refresh your Go2bank application, and that is how you will be able to fix your Go2bank application having issue of not working well quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.